Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn post scheduling with Buffer step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Buffer account.
Once you're logged in, navigate to the Publishing tab from the main dashboard. Next, select the Social Accounts option from the left-hand menu.
If you haven't already connected your LinkedIn account, click on Connect a New Account.
Choose LinkedIn from.
Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer to access your LinkedIn account. Once your LinkedIn account is connected, return to the Publishing tab.
Now, click on Posts to start creating your scheduled post.
In the Post Creation box, choose your LinkedIn account from the drop-down menu. Type your post content into the text field.
You can also add images, links, or videos by using the corresponding icons. To schedule your post, click on the calendar icon located below the text field.
Select the date and time you want your post to be published.
After setting the date and time, review your post to ensure everything looks correct.
Once satisfied, click on the Schedule Post button.
Your post will now be queued for posting at the scheduled time. To view your scheduled posts, go back to the Publishing tab and select Queue.
Here, you'll see all posts lined up for your LinkedIn account. If you need to edit or delete a scheduled post, simply click on the post in the queue. This allows you to make any necessary adjustments before it goes live. You're now ready to efficiently schedule posts for LinkedIn using Buffer.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.